Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Going global is the ultimate goal for ambitious MedTech and IVD companies. But while companies focus on navigating complex regulations in new markets, they often overlook a more fundamental barrier, the planet's rotation. The 24-hour clock is a silent project killer. A project can stall simply because teams are asleep. Let's consider a real-world scenario we've observed. A German MedTech company, let's call them Cardio Innovate, developed a groundbreaking cardiovascular diagnostic tool. They had their CE mark and were targeting simultaneous registration with the FDA in the United States and Anvisa in Brazil. They hired two separate, highly rated consulting firms, one in the US and one in Brazil. The trouble began immediately. The German team would finish their workday by sending a list of technical questions to the US consultant. The US team would only see these questions when their day started, hours later. They would work on the answers and send them back at the end of their day, which was the middle of the night in Germany. A single, simple question could have a 48-hour turnaround time. Now, add Brazil to the mix. The Brazilian submission required a document that was dependent on the FDA's feedback. The project manager in Germany became a constant bottleneck, trying to triangulate communication between 3 time zones. The project wasn't just slow, it was fragmented, with no single source of truth. This is not a unique story. This friction is the standard experience for companies managing global expansion with a decentralized model. The solution is a globally integrated team operating on a follow-the-sun model. Imagine a world where your project never sleeps. When the team in Europe finishes their day, they don't just send an email into the void. They conduct a warm handover to their colleagues in the Americas who are just starting their day. The project moves forward for another 8 hours. As they sign off, the Asia-Pacific team is coming online to continue the work. This is how you eliminate the 48-hour feedback loop. This model requires a single, unified company with local experts on the ground, connected by a shared process and technology platform. It means having over 15 offices across 5 continents, all working as one. Instead of juggling multiple consultants, you have one strategic partner. This transforms regulatory affairs from a series of disconnected sprints into a continuous 24-hour relay race. The result is not just faster market access. It is about reducing risks, cutting down on redundant work, and gaining a powerful competitive advantage. Every day saved in the regulatory process is a day you are generating revenue and a day patients get access to your technology. To learn more about building a regulatory strategy that truly follows the sun, you can email or visit Pure Global.